Hello everybody, today I'll be solving DeepML problem number 4, calculate mean by row or column. Our task is to write a Python function that calculates the mean of a matrix either by row or by column based on a given input mode. The function should take a matrix and a mode and as input and return a list of means according to the specific mode. The matrix inputted can be a list, numpy array, or torch.tensor. The mode is always a string. And they provide an example here as well. So this is a pretty simple problem. The first step is to check what mode we're in. So if, for example, our mode is equal to column, then we need to operate if it's a column. Else, if mode is row, then we operate as if we're doing the mean by the rows. Secondly, we also need to take the matrix input and make sure it's a tensor, because there's no guarantee it's a tensor. It could be a list or a numpy array. So matrix of t is torch.as tensor of matrix where d type equals torch.float. Okay, and then from here, for columns, so in a matrix, the 0th dimension is columns for torch.mean. So return torch.mean empty equals 0. For rows, we do the same thing but for the first dimension. And yeah, that should work. Note that in a 2D matrix, it's rows by columns. This dimension is the dimension that gets removed after the mean. So by setting dim equals 0 here, the 0th dimension is the rows. So by returning torch.mean of empty with dim equals 0, we effectively take the mean of the columns on the columns by removing the row dimension entirely. And the same thing is true for the rows condition as well. We take the mean by removing the columns dimension entirely as well. And it passes the test cases. Yep. Okay. And all solutions will be in the GitHub in the description below. Thank you.